gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DeWalt 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers, DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
Hi, I'm Anna White. I'm going to walk you through the newest tool in the Ryobi Airstrike family of fasteners, and that's the Airstrike Straight Finish Nailer. Now, this nailer is a game changer for projects like installing molding and trim work, and even exterior trim and fascia boards. Typically, a finish nailer is powered by an air compressor, which can be inconvenient and even intimidating. But the Airstrike Finish Nailer is powered by any one of Ryobi's 18-volt 1+ batteries. Even for seasoned contractors, this is a huge advantage because it saves so much time not having to set up an air compressor and a hose. And in addition to being convenient, it delivers great performance. On just one charge of the high-capacity lithium plus battery, it can drive up to 800 finish nails. That is a lot of work on one charge. It really doesn't get any easier to use a finish nailer than this.
This is the GSK 18V Li Professional Cordless Nailer, the mobile solution for precise fastening. Thanks to its premium lithium-ion battery, the tool is quickly ready for use and ensures a long battery runtime. This cordless nailer can drive up to 700 nails with only one battery charge. If the magazine's empty, the wood protection system disables the triggering mechanism to protect the workpiece from being damaged by the striking pin. Thanks to its compact design and low weight of only 3.5 kilos, this cordless nailer is the ideal tool for enabling precise and comfortable work, even in tight spaces. And the continuously variable depth adjustment ensures flush results and precise finishing. To enable you to also work on high-quality surfaces without any worries, the cordless nailer is equipped with a rubber-coated tip. Experience for yourself the GSK 18V Li Professional Cordless Nailer, the mobile solution for precise fastening.
The Craftsman 19.2-volt 18-gauge cordless brad nailer, powered by advanced speed shot air core technology. No compressors, no hoses. The ultimate in cordless convenience. Power up the C3 battery and shoot up to 1,200 nails in one single charge. The dry fire lockout prevents misfires. And a jam release clears the nails from the magazine, so you can go on about your business. With the flip of a switch, go from single shot to rapid fire mode. 2 powerful LED lights brighten the way as you drive home nails up to 2 inches in length. Portable, powerful, reliable. The perfect tool for any job, always delivering professional results. Get the quality and trusted performance you expect from Craftsman with the 19.2 volt 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. Craftsman, made to make.